Samsung recently held its Australian media launch at the Botanical Gardens in Sydney for the Galaxy S20 series. Now, why hold this in a Botanical Gardens? Well, largely because it's a camera phone, but also it's just a big place, and this is a big phone. A 6.9-inch phone is always going to be surprisingly big in your hands. Stylistically, you're looking at something that's not a million miles away from last year's Note series, only obviously a bit bigger with a slightly larger camera bump out the back. It's the biggest of the S20 range, of course. This particular model was set up largely as a demo model, and I didn't really get a big chance to test out things like 5G or the battery life or the processor. By and large, there's no reason to think that they shouldn't be effectively premium grade. It's got quite a nice feel in the hand, although it's fairly slippy, and there's no headphone jack, which is a little bit disappointing. But the prime reason that Samsung wants you to get excited about this phone is, of course, the camera. It's the key thing for these ultra expensive flagship phones. And there were, again, some features I couldn't really test. I mean, you can't really test low light in this kind of environment. I'll need a phone for a little longer and a few dark and stormy nights to really give that one a run. It does have some interesting features though. So there's single tape, which basically captures a whole bunch of mostly video and then uses AI to slice it up into stills of different sizes, of different frames, video running back and forward, boomerang, that kind of thing. Quite a neat little effect. And then, of course, there's the zoom. Now, this is kind of the headline feature for the S20 Ultra, that it'll do up to 100 times zoom. See my friend, also called Alex, holding the phone for me. Thanks, Alex. And look, 100 times zoom is a great number to have on a marketing spiel. But as with every other huge hybrid zoom, the end effects, especially if you're handheld like here, yeah, they're not great. They're very kind of washed out and crayon style. It's a bit more of a feature for if you wanted to just see something quite far away. I'll leave the implications of that to you, rather than something that you're going to use full time. Now, I'm hoping to actually get my hands on one of these for more comprehensive battery and performance testing very soon, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.